वाह वाह। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। मींह पिया परमेश्वर पाया, जी जंत सब सुखी वसाया। गया कलेश पिया सुख साचा, हर हर नाम संभाली जियो। मींह पिया परमेश्वर पाया। There's a lot of significance of a rain and meeting Vaheguru. Whenever I hear these shabads, irrespective of whether you have practical experience internally or not, lot of animals, they get very happy when they are thinking about a rain. When the raindrops are there, like peacocks, they dance. The rain bird, she will know, he will know that the rain is coming, and they're very happy. So there are a lot of animals and birds and creatures. They are connected with Vaheguru. They're connected. Similarly, when our stage internally is very close to meeting Vaheguru, first thing which happens is Amrit Naam. Chim chim varsa Amrit Thara. Same thing happens inside. Not just the inside, and the Gurmukh Pyare who have experienced it, they will know, they will experience raindrops literally, physically on their forehead. They will experience that. Same thing, Guru Sahib. This is a very loaded Shabad. I don't think so. We can do two Shabads today. Just whole Shabad, if we can do it today, that would be great. But it's a very loaded Shabad here. Lot of Gyan in just one Shabad by Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Slok Mahalla Panjwa, Par Brahm Farmaya, Mi Vutha Sahaj Subai. Now, don't read the meanings. That's why I tried to even erase all the Punjabi meanings also, because we'll not be able to understand if we'll start reading the meanings here. Just focus on every word and you will know the answers. Because we just did a Simran, mind is in Sahaj, mind is in peace. Maharaj will speak from inside you. Par Brahm Furmaya. पंजाबी च ਅਸੀਂ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ ਪਾਰ ਬ੍ਰਹਮ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਹੁਕਮ ਦਿੱਤਾ. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ordered. It is his hukum. Par Brahm Furmaya, meaning the sound, the order of Vaheguru. Par Brahm Furmaya, Mi Vutha, that the rain should come. Amrit Ras, Amrit Naam di Varkha, Naam di Varkha should come. Sahaj Subai. Automatically, when mind goes in Sahaj, mind will start experiencing the rain. So just imagine, I don't want you to just imagine, I want you to practice this. And there is the places Maharaj has given the Nishani here also, where exactly you will start feeling the rain. The whole Shabad will read it. So let's say you are doing a Sasgira Simran, you went Sas Antargat Simran, and Antargat Simran stopped there, and you're totally in Sahaj, totally in peace, and you're hearing the loud Anhad Tun, Anhad Bani Sahaj Tun, Naad has started. Because when Naad starts, Guru Pyareo, then you are totally disconnected with your physical body. Sahaj Tun and Naad is the stages when you are not connected with the physical body anymore. Tera mukh suhava jiyo, Sahaj Tun Bani. And now Naad is there, and then immediately you'll feel like, not just a feeling, experience a rain all over your matha. Even before the Naad, on your forehead, you will start experiencing the rain. Me vutta, badi jor di. It's not just a drizzle. It's like a heavy rain coming on your forehead. Me vutta sehaj subaye. An tan bahut upjaya. Prithmi raji tipat aghaye. Focus on every single word. An has onkad, tan has onkad, bahut upjaya. Prithmi raji tipat aghaye. Raji. Word is raji. Your body is now content. You are content. Your mind is content because you have received everything. Maharaj is comparing it with the farmland. When the rain comes, then rain gets the field, the farms, they get a nourishment because that's their food. An tan bahut upjaya. An is a wheat. That's a tan. But what is our antan? Mind's antan is naam tan. That's shabad. Bahut upjaya. That means you will be hearing the naad. Very heavy sound. Or lot of prakash. An tan bahut upjaya. So much prakash that the prakash will be inside. And for some days, some gurmukhs with Vaheguruji's kirpa, when they will open their eyes also, they will see prakash all over. There's a darkness in the room, but they will see the prakash inside and outside. For few days, you will not be able to talk with anybody. An tan bahut upjaya, bahut jada. Prithmi raji, as in your subtle body, your physical body, is all content now. Raj gayi. Tipat aghaye, tripat gayi. It doesn't need anything else. It's totally satisfied. Totally satisfied. No longer any desires, nothing. Then the stage comes of gun. Remember, somebody was asking me the other day the difference between Maharaj says you have to sing the praises, qualities. And qualities of the person can only be sung. Let's say if I want somebody, if I know somebody, and I know the person has a lot of good qualities, bade change gun hai ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ, but I should know that person, right? Then only I can sing the praises or I can talk about his good qualities. If you don't know about the good qualities of the person, how will you say the good qualities? So there is actually a fundamental difference between chanting and praising. But initial stages, so that we don't get confused, initial stages, chanting is fine. Chanting is just like singing praises. But when you start having the darshan of Vaheguru, Prakash Roop Vaheguru, the light, when you start hearing Vaheguru, when you start having the darshan of Vaheguru, at that point of time, you know Vaheguru, that Vaheguruji is Prakash Roop, Vaheguruji is Nirankar, formless Vaheguru. He is Nirpo, he is Nirvair, he is Akal Murat, he is timeless, he is fearless. When you reach to that stage, then you actually start singing the praises. And then the praises will not be just for 1 hour, 2 hours. Maharaj says, Sada Sada Gun Uchre Dukh Dalad Gaya Belai. All the pain, all the missing links, poverty, Dridar, Dald, Gaya, Belai. It will go away, it will run away. And how did that happen? It was not happening before. How did it happen? This had to happen. Purab likhya paya. So, lot of Guru Pyare, lot of beings which come in this world. We have discussed this in the past also. Some beings, when they come in the human birth, they come from Rajogun. Some come from Tamogun. Some come from Satogun. But some are Dev Lok Devasi. What does that mean? Meaning there are different species, Junes, which are related to Rajogun. There are different animals, breeds, or species which are related to Tamogun. There are different species which are related to Satogun. Some other day we'll describe in detail. And then there are some beings, some minds, which were there in the angel land. They were angels, Surnar Munjan, right? They were angels. They were from Devlok. And they also come back as a human birth because Surnar Munjan Amrit Khojde, so Amrit Gurte Paya, Paya Amrit Gur Kirpa Kini, Sacha Man Vasaya. So they come from the Devlok. Now, the ones who come from the Devlok, it's already written. They are already at that stage. They already listen to the Naam. Sometimes some Gurmukhs, they will come new to the Sangat and people will say, oh, the person is Munna. He has no hair and everything. How come they started listening to the Anhad Bani? How come they have so much in Sahaj? Because Purab Likhya Paya Milya Tise Razai. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੂਰਲੇ ਕਰਮ ਸੀਗੇ. It's written. For everybody it is written. One is chiri. It's written for everybody. One same thing. That you have to jap naam. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਨਾਮ ਜਪਣਾ ਹੈ. But ਪੂਰਬ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਪਾਇਆ. But some are special beings. ਪੂਰਬ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਪਾਇਆ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਤਿਸੈ ਰਜ਼ਾਏ. In his hukam, in his raza, in his will, they will meet very, very fast. Somebody who came from the Rajogun, it can take time. Tamogun take a lot of time. Satogun, less time. But the beings, the minds which come from the Dev Lok, they will meet Vaiguru very, very fast. Purab likhya paya milya tisai razai. Ona di raza, Vaiguru ji di raza. Parmeshwar jivalya Nanak tisai te aaye. And the Vaiguruji has given them that kirpa. Vaiguruji has given them the kirpa. Unhone jwal liya. They have given them the opportunity. And now what they need to do? Very little Simran. And they will come in the Sahaj. They will leave the Maya right away. Thoda ja sangat ch vi aunde hai, kirpa honi shuru kar. But you know what is the problem? Sometimes when they get kirpa very fast, these beings, they'll say, see, oh, I am better than others. The home strikes. Because remember always, Doots also come with us. Vaiguruji also comes with us. Whole family comes with us. So we have to be very, very careful. If the kirpa is happening very fast, ਧਿਆਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੱਡਣਾ, ਸਿਮਰਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੱਡਣਾ, ਸੰਗਤ ਚ ਆਉਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੱਡਣਾ. We have to still come in the sangat. We still have to do the chanting. We still have to do dhyana. Right? Still we have to put the focus on the naam. More and more. It becomes actually more important for those beings. Otherwise, they will say, oh, I have everything. And then the home strikes. When the home strikes, when the ego strikes, they go down. That's why Maharaj says, home dirag rog hai. And it's a rog, it's a disease. And home can come for anything, not just because of any physical thing. There can be a spiritual home also. Oh, I know better than others. I have more kirpa than others. I have told you this story multiple times. This is a long time back. There was a Gurmukh, and we were like all sitting together on the sofa talking about Gurmukh stuff. and there were two Gurmukhs who were arguing with each other. And what they were arguing about? One Gurmukh was saying, "Oh, I should be able to do Simran on the mic. You should not be doing the Simran on the mic because I get Amrit Ras." And the Gurmukh sitting next to me, he was like, "When you were saying this to the other Gurmukh, were you actually getting the Amrit Ras?" He said, "No." He said that's where your answer is. When home strikes, all the kripa goes away. But पूरब लिखया पाया मिलया तिसे रजाए सदा सदा, I'm going reverse, सदा सदा गुण उचरै दुख दालद गया बलाए सदा सदा. Remember, we always have to, all the time, it becomes more important. It's our responsibility that we have to sing more and more praises, and we have to check ourselves, self introspect, that home is not coming, home is not coming, because if the home comes, then things goes worst. Lot of Sant Gurmukhs, you know, they will read this Shabad again and again. When they reach to a particular stage, they will read this Shabad again and again. आपस को जो भला कहावे तिसे भलाई निकट न आवे. Just these two lines. They will repeat it again and again. आपस को जो भला कहावे तिसे भलाई निकट न आवे. Why they say that? They will say that because anybody who say that I am good, the goodness goes away. Because when we say I am good, then the ego strikes. Then goodness goes away. This is a very sukham marg. That's why we have to be very careful. Sorry, I missed the Shabad. Mahalla Panjwa, Jeevan Pad Nirban, Ikko Simriye. Nirban Pad, Amar Pad is when we go above these no darwaje, when we go above these 9 doors. Jeevan Pad, that's a pad, that's a destination, that's a place which we also call Nirvan Pad also. That is the place where you want to go, where the 5 doots will no longer be there, where the Pavan, Pani, Basantar will no longer be there. These elements will no longer be there. Mind will be always in Sahaj. And how you can reach there? Ikko Simriye. You can only go there if you are doing Simran, if your chanting has become a Simran. Ikko Simri, only one Vaheguru. Duji nahi jaye kinbid tiriye. And there is no other place where you can have a tiraj, a peace. Mind will not be steady. There's no other place. There's only one place, that Nirbhan Pad, that Dasam Dwar, above the 9 doors, that Sachkhand, that Thirkar. Thirkar Beso, Harjan Pyare, Satgur Tumre, Kaj Savare. That place. Ditha Sab Sansar, Sukhna Naam Bin. Guru Arjan Dev Ji is saying, I have seen everything, all the world, all the different realms, but Sukh is only in the Naam, in the Shabad. The peace, the happiness is only in the Shabad, the Naam. We can have lots of money, lot of physical things, but there is no Sukh other than in Naam. Naam has only the Sukh. Tan hosi char, tan hosi char, jane koi jan. Can they only the rare ones will know? Very few people will know that this physical. We all know, but we don't remember. It's never ever in our focus that this tan hosi char, tan hosi char. The body will go away, the wealth will go away, everything will go away, it will perish. सब कुछ खत्म हो जाना है. We don't listen. Maharaj says, Tan tan hosi char, jana koi jan, koe jan. Only rare ones will know. We don't know that the tan is going to be finished. We are still in the pleasures of tan and tan. Tan tan hosi char, jana koe jan, rang, roop, ras, baad. Ki kare praniya? Ke kare praniya? Can they even the pleasures, the beautiful stuff you see in this whole world, and the taste of the tongue? Can they sara kuch baad? Their baad means useless. Everything is useless. Why you are stuck in this? Ki kare praniya means ke kare praniya means why? Why are you stuck in all these things? Jis pulaye. Hold down the mic button on the remote control while speaking. Guru Pyareo, can you see all these things, Vaheguru? गुरु प्यारियो ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜੀ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਰੰਗ ਰੂਪ ਰਸ ਬਾਦ ਕੇ ਕਰੇ ਪ੍ਰਾਣੀਆਂ, ਜਿਸ ਭੁਲਾਏ ਆਪ ਤਿਸ ਕਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣੀਆਂ। ਕਹਿੰਦੇ if somebody has forgotten Vaheguru, nobody can make him understand other than Vaheguru. You know, that's why people say, oh, this, go to this sant, they can resolve all your problems. No, nobody can. Nobody. If somebody has forgotten, somebody has gone astray, has gone on the rasta of the Tat, we cannot bring them back. We can give them the message of the Guru, but with Vaheguruji's kirpa only they can come back. Jis pulaye aap tis kal nahi jaaniya, rang rate nirbaan sacha gavi. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਰੰਗਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਓ. Be in the love of Vaheguru. Rather than explaining people or making people come on this path, give them the message, but you should be in the rang of Vaheguru, in the color of Vaheguru, in the love of Vaheguru. Then you can go to the Nirbaan Pad, that Amra Pad, that Chautha Pad, Sacha Gavi, by singing the praises. If you want to stay there. So a lot of people, they will have the darshan of the Prakash also. Then they will go astray, because they have not yet merged in one Vaheguru. Merging is the stage which is the ultimate stage of the Nirvan Pad. Nanak Sharan Dwar Je Tud Pavhi. The mind will only come in the control. Manvas Ave Nanaka Je Puran Kirpa Hoy. The Puran Kirpa is his will, is his Kirpa, his grace, his blessing. That's why we always have to come in Sachi Sangat. Then only, till the last moment, till the last breath, we don't have to stop chanting. We don't have to stop singing his praises. Odi sharan ch rehna, Nanak sharan dwar je tud pavhi. Paudi jamman maran na tin ko jo har lad lage. But with Vaheguruji's kirpa, if you have held the hand, if the Vaheguruji has held your hand, then you will not come in the life and death. Jamman maran na tin ko jo har lad lage, jeevat se parwan hoye har kirtan jage. And they are, Maharaj gave them the life to all of us. Pai Prapat Manuk Dehuriya Gobind Milan ki e teri bariya. But now we'll be parwan. We will be approved in his court. We got the life and we were successful because we followed what Vaheguruji wanted us to follow. How? Har Kirtan Jage. The mind is now awake by Har Kirtan, by listening to that Anhad Shabad, Anhad Bani, by seeing that Prakash. Kal Yug mein Kirtan Pardana, Gurmukh Japiye Laye Dhyana. That Kirtan, that Naam Kirtan, ode wal dhyan lag gaya. And then mind will be awake. The whole journey is waking up your mind, because mind is sleeping in this Trigun Maya. Sad Sang Jin Paya Sei Vad Bhage. The easiest way is coming in the Sachi Sangat. And they are the fortunate ones who come in the Sachi Sangat. Sant Jana Mil Harjas Gayo Kot Janan Ke Dukh Gavayo. Nae Visriya Trig Jeevana Tute Kach Tage. But if we will forget the Naam, then cursed is our life. Then the thread of Naam, which is connected with Vaheguru, it's broken. Then we have broken the link between the Vaheguru. Naam is the only link of our mind with Vaheguru. And Naam is Sukham, Naam is subtle, Naam is not physical. कागद कलम ना लिखन हार मन्ने का बह करन विचार ऐसा नाम निरंजन होए जेको मन जाने मन कोय. The naam cannot be written with the pen, it cannot be written on the paper. नानक धूड़ पुनीत साध लख कोट parage. Now this is a big explanation what parag is. Now high level, Pirag or Parag is a place in India close to Allahabad. It is in between Ganga and Yamuna, where Ganga and Yamuna meet. It's called Paragraj, very close to Allahabad. But Maharaj has given us the location where the Paragraj is there in our subtle body. Bhagat Beni ji has explained it very beautiful. Maharaj says, ईड़ा पिंगला और सुखमना तीन बसै इक ठाई बेणी संगम तह पिराग मन मज्जन करे तिथाई. That is the place where it is. Ida is your left side, Pingala is your right side. In between, in the forehead, that is the place which is a Paragraj. Maharaj says that's where the Gurmukhs, the mind of the Gurmukh goes and get the raindrops, get the Amrit Naam, and they take a bath there. Beni Sangam Teh Pirag Man Majjan Kare Tithai. That's where the mind will take a bath. Maharaj says, Santo Taha Niranjan Ram hai. That's the place. In between your eyes, in between your eyebrows. That's the place where the Ram is there. Vaheguru is there. Ram has anchored in the Shabad. Gurgam Chine Birla Koi. But very few will listen to the Guru. Gurbani Guru. Bani Guru. Guru hai Bani. Which Bani Amrit Sare. Gurbani Kahe. Sevak Jan Mane. Pratak Guru Nishtare. Taha Niranjan Ramaya Hoy. When if we listen to that place, they will go to the place and they will meet him. We'll discuss this whole Shabad in upcoming Houston camp. And then we have a San Antonio camp just 1 week after that. 19, 20, 21st is a Houston camp, and that we'll discuss in details. Nanak Tood Puneet Sad Lakh Kot Parage. Just like people go physically to the Parag Raj 100,000 times, crores of times, millions and billions of times, if you will get the Tudi of the Sad Sangat, the dust of the feet of the saints, meaning when you will do the Sangat, when you will chant Vaheguru, when you will do Simran with the Sangat, you will directly reach to that Paragraj in between your eyes. Up automatically thouda dhyan utthe lagna shuru ho jayega. And that's where you are going to experience this Amrit Varkha, the Amrit rain. This is where you are going to do the Majjan. That's the Tirath. That's where our mind is going to get washed. Man to wo shabad lago, harsyo raho, chit laye. That's the place where we will go. Aao ji Gurmukh Pyareo. I'm now opening the dice for any questions you might have. I'll open the camera also. Anji. Any questions regarding this, Guru Pyareo? We have 5-10 minutes. You can ask any question. Anji Pyareo. Related to this, any question? ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਪਿਆਰਿਓ
ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਕੱਲ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਲਾਈਕ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਅ ਡਾਊਟ ਔਰ ਦ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਆਫ ਹੇਕੜੋ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
the meaning of hekdo like kal like yesterday there was a shabad right jachdi sasar jo jachandi hekdo
Hanji. Hekdo is, as I mentioned yesterday also, Hekdo is Wagyu. It is a Western Punjab language. Hekdo means one. Ik, ik, ik
Oh,
Wagyu.
okay. Is it like a letter? Hekdo? Hanji.
No, it's a dialect.
Okay, okay. Yeah, but
Hekdo, one and the same thing.
okay, Virji. Okay.
ठीक
Thank
है जी?
you. Hanji, Virji. And then today's Virji, like it was written right, like when ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਆਪੇ ਹੀ ਲਾਈਕ ਹੀ ਲਾਈਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਰਾਸਤੇ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਨੂੰ ਡਾਲ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਰਾਈਟ ਉਹ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਵੀਡੀਓ
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. So, Guru Pyareo, if we will see our own life, I don't know about everybody here. I can talk about myself. When when we were in our youth and all, probably many of you, just like me, went astray. You did a lot of things which you were not supposed to do, right? And people used to tell you also, this is not a good path, this is not a good company, you should not do all these things. But we still did it. But then Vaiguruji's Kripa happened and we start going into it. Ultimately, everybody will come to the Livda Rasta. Maharaj has given the chance to everybody. In this lifetime, you don't have to wait for the next lifetime. In this lifetime, the chance will be there. But sometimes what happens is we keep on forcing people and they keep on going away. So I normally, advise everybody, especially with your family and all, what you need to do is you should look at yourself. When you are traveling in a plane, when the oxygen is low, they say put the mask to yourself first and then you take care of your kids, isn't it? First, put the mask on yourself and then you put the mask on others. Because if you are not getting the oxygen, you will not be able to take care of others. So, first, we have to reach to that stage. And when we reach to that stage, to be honest, with Vaiguruji's Kirpa, the life will change of others around you. 100% is there. But if we'll keep on forcing people, do this, do that, do this, do that, they might not come, right? They will come at their own time with Vaiguruji's Kirpa. So we have to set an example rather than force people. Does this make sense, Guru Pyare?
हाँ जी totally agree जी
Hanji.
thank you
Hanji, there
thank
was
you
a question in the Hanji. Any other question, Guru Pyare?
नहीं विजय नहीं thank you
Hanji. There is another question. How can we progress from chanting to hearing Naad? Very good question. Naad, Naam is a kripa. The progress will happen the more time we spend. The more sada sada gunagav. Maharaj says all the time. So when we are chanting, not just in the Amrit Vela, not just in the Sangat, when we make this a routine, 24 by 7. Aat pehar arado pyare, nimak na kije tila. Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru. When we are walking, working, all the time when we are in the love of Vaheguru, Maharaj will definitely give a kirpa. Now, step by step, I always tell people, always get into an habit of Antargat Simran. Loud Simran, very important. Sasgira Simran, very important. Then Sas Antargat Simran. That's your individual, personal Simran. Because Antargat Simran cannot be done in the Sangat. In the Sangat, we have to do Sasgira Simran. When we do Sas Antargat Simran, what happens is very fast you will go to the Sun Samad. People think they are sleeping, but they are actually going in the Smadhi. In the Smadhi, you will start hearing the Shabad. And the day will come, if your routine, if your karam is good, if your actions are good, with Vaiguruji's Kirpa, you will hear the Naad, and Naad will take you to Maharaj Prakash. And sometimes, some people don't even hear the Naad, they directly get into the Prakash. It all depends on your previous karmas. But Sasgira, Sasas, Antargat Simran is must in this journey. ठीक है जी गुरु प्यारे. Any other question?
Virji, while doing Simran like in the morning, can we just like listen in the YouTube like some Simran and just do along with that?
हाँ जी,
like
हाँ जी भाई.
as a habit, like every day.
Yes, you can, but make sure after 1.5 hour of Simran, bare minimum half an hour of Antargat Simran without listening from the outside. अपना individual Simran ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਆਦਤ ਪਾਉਣੀ. More and more your individual independent. It's like a homework and a classwork, right? When we are in the Sangat, it's like a classwork. We have to do the homework. Antargat Simran, through the mind. Mind is chanting, mind is listening. Antargat Simran, internal Simran. Because then only you will start going inside. The more inside you go, then you will go in Sunsma. Because you have to go in Sun. Naam will be given in the Sun. Naad will be given in the Sun. Prakash will be inside the Sunsma. ठीक है जी? Any other question, Guru Pyareo? If not, आओ जी अब मसाज सिमरन करिए. वाह, tummy in, listen to your voice. Guru, tummy out, listen to your voice. Why? Guru, why? Guru, why? Guru, सेवा कर लो जी गुरुमुखो. Why? Guru, why? Guru, why? Guru, why? Guru, why? Guru, why?
Why
Guru.
Guru, why 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 Guru, Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru। अंतर्गत सिमरन वाहिगुरु जी, मनी बोले मनी सुने। वाहिगुरु जी, हम अवगुण परे एक गुण नाही, अमृत छाड़ बिखे बिख खाई, माया मोह भरम पै भूले, सुत दारा सिउ प्रीत लगाई। एक उत्तम पंथ सुनियो गुर संगत, तह मिरंद जम त्रास मिटाई। एक अरदास पाठ कीरत की, गुरु रामदास राखो शरणाई। एक अरदास पाठ कीरत की, गुरु रामदास राखो शरणाई।